Now then, welcome to Asda.
We are here in the Asda car park lurking. We're not really lurking, we've just got here, and the reason why we're here is because we're going to go check out what their vegan range is like.
This is our new series 2 of our vlogs. We're doing 500 and we're doing these in a rectangle.
Let us know what you think about the new rectangle, let us know what you think about the content in the comments below. We are here in Asda, and this is a massive Asda, and we've come to find out what their vegan range is like.
This is an ambient aisle and we're going to see how many of these products are suitable for vegans, how many aren't, and is it obvious. Here we've got salmon jerky right next to beef gravy. As you would expect, beef gravy not suitable for vegans. Beef gravy, salmon jerky, chicken and thyme, duck fat, goose fat. I'm definitely in a meaty section here, so I wouldn't expect any vegan products. However, this sage and onion stuffing, I mean, that's vegan. This is kind of confusing. The confusion as a new vegan continues. That says tin fish and oils, but this is the free from aisle. Definitely signposting could be improved.
So Asda, right, one of the big four, they are doing fantastic work. They've got loads of wonderful vegan options. Even this stuff, brownie mix, might take this home with us now. Now, obviously, you've got your wonderful basil pesto with absolutely no cheese, vegan. But one of the things that these guys are doing particularly well, that none of the big ones are doing, is this. This is vegan magic dust. This is nutritional yeast, and you can only buy this in like health food stores and here in Asda. So big up Asda, this is fantastic. It'd just be amazing if you could get all this sort of stuff and just cram it onto one aisle that doesn't say free from, but it just says vegan, because it'd be infinitely easier for people like me and all the millions now of vegans that are in this country who want to come and shop easy.
So it's Ian's birthday. He had his cake yesterday. I want to get him another cake today. Victoria sponge? No. Red velvet cake? No. Lemon bakewells? No. Coconut tarts looking pretty tasty. Can't have them though.
No.
The nation's favourite grandmother, Mary Berry, surely? No. Bramley apple pies. This, I mean, it must be so easy to make this. No, sadly not. Milk. What do you reckon about this burger cake? I mean, the idea is definitely not vegan. No. The thing is that, of course, we know all this stuff isn't vegan, and there are places you can look online to find the stuff that's accidentally vegan. But it would be nice to have more options, and if those options existed, it would be nice to signpost them better. Here we have one, just one, which is the vegan chocolate cake. Amazing. That is going to do for Ian's birthday cake. Thank goodness for that. We have a chilled free from section where all the free from stuff is. Now, given this is dairy, we know it's going to be free from dairy, therefore there won't be eggs likely in these things, so this is all going to be vegan, but you have to kind of deduce that. Got all dairy free milks, looks great, yeah, vegan. I spoke too soon. We have found some non-vegan products. Check down here. These are lacto-free creams. This is lacto-free yogurt. So what that means is it is actually dairy, it's just they've removed the lactose. So if I was a vegan, which I am, and didn't understand and was looking for vegan products, I could definitely get confused. Is that vegan whipped cream? Oh, hello. Hello, cheeky. See how happy we are when we find vegan products. Thank you, Asda. I'm getting that. That's getting bought. We have yogurt, love a bit of Alpro.
Oh my god.
Goo! Yes!
Oh my god!
Oh my goodness, suitable for vegans. That is getting bought. This is amazing. Right. So guys, that's enough of a trip around the supermarket, but the key message here is there are loads of options. There's loads of things that vegans can buy now in supermarkets. Asda are doing a great job of pulling them all together and putting them in one shop, but they're not easy to find. The signposting could be better. But if you're vegan, there's never been a better time.
That is one thing that I like about shopping as a vegan. It's like you never know what you're going to get, and it's just like a journey. You might discover something amazing, or you might just get really unlucky and not find anything. But as it happens, today, with those goo pots, is a good day.
Isn't it embarrassing when it all goes wrong at the bagging area? Vegan goo.
Yeah.
Can you believe
First
it?
time, no, I haven't seen
It's
that.
amazing.
Recording in progress. Smile for the camera.
Hello. There we have it. Happy birthday, dude.
Thank you very much. This is going to go down a treat, a vegan treat actually.
Mission accomplished. We found some vegan food, but it was fairly difficult. You know, the store didn't make it that easy to find vegan products. There was a great free from section. In fact, there were two, and it was really easy to find free from products, but loads of them weren't vegan, of course, because it wasn't vegan. And so we had to read every single product. And the problem is, when you read every single product, is you end up just kind of giving up or having to ask people or traipsing around the store.
Yeah, it is fair to say that Asda are doing a marvellous job with their vegan range. I mean, they've even got nutritional yeast, which is no joke.
Well done,
But
Asda.
it is a bit odd having to, like, that is a massive store, and you have to trace around the whole store looking at every single label to find things like jackfruit, which could be in 3 or 4 different places throughout the whole store.
So we would love slightly better signposting of the vegan products that do exist. Now, obviously, we know there's lots of different ways to do that. You could do that with a vegan section. You could do that from special labeling, or maybe you could do that by labeling on like the features and the shelves and stuff.
Yeah, obviously with those teeny tiny little supermarkets, a full aisle would just be probably impossible. But with a massive supermarket like that, the vegan movement is kicking off. There's so many people eating vegan now. It could just be really, really good for business and obviously really good for the consumer.
So what ends up happening when you can't find the vegan products is you probably give up on those stores and you end up going to a specialist store like an Asian supermarket or a health food store or a vegan store, spending more money. And actually the sad thing about that is that's also not an option for people in smaller towns as well. We just want everyone to have the chance to eat delicious, tasty plant-based food, whether they're vegan, veggie, flexi, or whatever.
It's why we set up BOSH. In fact, our first cookbook, the working title was Plant-Based Food for Everyone. That's our mantra then, and it's our mantra today, and will be forevermore.
And the more meat eaters we can get eating plant-based foods, the better. In fact, we feel so strongly about this that we've just finished off a new book called How to Live Vegan. There's a lot more in the book, but the first step has to be about making food available for people, because if you want to eat vegan food but you can't find it, it's impossible.
Asda, really now, you are smashing it. You've got such a wonderful range of vegan food in your store, it's great. But it would just be that one little bit better if you could just put really clear labeling or have one specific section for the vegans. Like we said before, there's loads of us now and it's only gonna get bigger.
For all you watching, we hope you've enjoyed this video, this new series, this new horizontal world we now live in.
Now, and also please drop us a comment because we read them all and we will respond to the ones we really need to. And hopefully, you know, if you give us some good ideas on where to go, we might go there.
Yeah, have you had experiences like ours? Have you found yourselves wandering around supermarkets aimlessly trying to find vegan food? Or have you made any slip-ups along the way?
Whatever your experiences is with the vegan food, we want to hear about it.
Let us know. Bish,
Bash,
Bosh!